Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. Today I will share a good news with you. ISRO is providing some free courses and one of the courses is on AI and ML. Okay, so this is a 5 days course which is starting from August 19 till 23rd August. Now you can register in this course for free. You will get the participation certificate if you have just 70% attendance. Okay. Now, how you can register in this course, I will show you in this video. So please don't skip this video. Watch it till the end. And please do subscribe my channel. I will give the link in my description box. So you will redirect it to this page. Okay. So before going to the registration process, I will discuss the topics they are providing. Okay. In this course. So topic number 1 is Introduction to AI, ML and DL. Topic number 2 is methods in machine learning, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Okay. Topic number 3 is deep learning, etc., and their application space-bound leader systems. Topic number 4 is machine learning through Google Earth Engine. And topic number 5 is Python for machine and deep learning. So now I will show you that how you will register in this course. So the course ID is 144. Okay. Now first go there. You will get the course browser, course schedule here. Now you will click the online registration form. So here you provide your full name as per the class 10 certificate. Okay. Enter your valid email ID here. Now confirm your email ID. Please retype the email ID what you provided. Now you have to give a strong password here. And you have to remember the password. Now here you have to retype the password again. Now you have to enter the code what is displayed here. Okay. Now register. And for the course is registered. Okay. Now please check your email to activate your account. If you did not get email, please click here to reset the activation link. So go to your email. Open your mail. You will get this type of mail. So open the mail. Then please confirm your email address by clicking this link. So click here, activate your account. Now go to this select course. Now you can apply for multiple courses here. So here you have to select the course name. Okay. Now AIML for geodata analysis. Select the course. Now mode of registration. Individual registration you are doing. So click it. Individual registration. So now basic qualification you have to give. Be students of final year, undergraduate course or postgraduate course at least, and citizens of India. Okay. Now basic knowledge on. Select NA. And how the course contents of this course will be useful for your professional career. This is not a mandatory question. Okay. So you can ignore this question. So then you have to click this next. Now you have to give your personal details. Select Mr. and you have to give your full name here. Write your full name here. Type your full name here. Now give your father name. Now you have to give your date of birth. Now you have to select your gender and nationality. Now you have to give your mobile number, city. Now here you have to give your country and state. Okay. Now you have to give your PIN code. Now you have to click this save and continue. Now here you have to give your educational details. Now highest qualification. If you are pursuing graduation, then select it. If you already graduated, then select this. If you are doing post graduation, then select this. Now major subjects. Now board. Now in this field you have to give your university name, okay, or institute name or board. So I am giving my university name. Okay. Now you have to give your year of passing. Now here you have to give your professional and document details. Okay. Now employment status you have to give. If you are a student, then you have to click this student. If you are a working professional, then click it. If you are self-employed, then click it. If you are a foreign student in Indian university, then also click it. Now choose your qualification. Now here you have to choose your photo, okay? And files, you have to remember that files should not exceed 500 KB, and this file should be in JPEG or PNG or JPG format, okay? Now identification proof you have to give. You can give passport, your voter card ID, or your Aadhaar card or PAN card, or any other things here. So I am selecting my Aadhaar card here. Then give your Aadhaar card. Then Aadhaar number you have to type here, okay? If you are giving Aadhaar card, if you are giving voter card, then voter ID number you have to type here. Now save and continue. Okay. So here you now you can see a preview of your application from here. Okay. Now check it once. Now apply. You have to click the apply. And if you are sure, then click OK. Yes. So congratulations. And your registration number will be given. Okay. So save this. So print this page. Take icon. If you get some help from this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get such important videos. Okay. So thank you.